In this video, I will show you how to see the library tab on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open up a browser tab and go to the Google search bar. I type YouTube into the search bar and press enter to look for the website. Once the search results load, I click on the primary YouTube link at the top to open YouTube. Once YouTube loads, I navigate over to the left-hand navigation sidebar menu. YouTube recently updated its layout, so instead of a tab explicitly named Library, all of your library content is now consolidated under the You tab. I click on the You tab on the left sidebar. This opens up your main library hub page. Here, you can access everything that used to be housed in the old library tab. At the top, you can view your channel account information and recent watch history. As I scroll down the page, you can see the playlist section displaying your saved playlists. Continuing down, you'll find your Watch Later section containing all the videos you have saved to view at a later time. Further down, you can also see your Liked Videos section containing all the videos you have liked. I scroll back up to the top of the page where the History section is displayed. I click on View All right next to History. This opens your detailed watch history page, where you can see a complete list of videos you've watched sorted by day, including today and yesterday. You also have options on the side to clear or pause your watch history. Finally, I click back on the You tab on the left sidebar to return to the main library page, where I can easily review all my saved content, playlists, watch later items, and liked videos all in one convenient place. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.